Please get out your body measurement form or reference your body measurement form and make sure to measure in the locations that you'll be shown in just a moment. The first measurement is upper bust, which is this area right across the top of your breast. You want to take the tape measure, measure all the way around this area, and you stop it at where the end of the tape measure meets. Okay, that's 37 and a half. The next measurement is the full bust. Do the same thing and get your measurement there. The next area is the bust point, which is the area from the top of the shoulder to the nipple, the point on your breast. That would be right here. Next, we're going to measure the midsection. That's this area right through here. Actually, right here, halfway between your hip and your waistline. Okay, your midsection. It's not your waistline, it's just in between your waistline and your hip area. And you want to bring your tape measure around and measure that area. This area measures 40. Then we're going to go back up and we're going to measure the waistline. Okay, here's your waistline. And you want to get a good measurement right in your waistline. If you kind of bend slightly to the side where your body indents, that's where your waistline is. The next measurement is your hip. It's going to be 7 inches below your waistline. So just drop your tape measure about 7 inches below your waistline and measure in that area. Okay? So you want to get a full measure. Make sure you go around the fullest part of your bottom and around your hip. And that's your hip measurement. The next thing you want to measure is your neck. The circumference of your neck. Just measure all the way around your neck. Right there. Then we want to measure the center back. Okay? As you see on your sheet, the center back is from the nape of the neck to the waist, or from the back base of your neck to the waist, okay? So that's going to be down to here, right to the waistline, from here to the waistline. Then we want to measure the, let's see, the back shoulder height, okay? That's almost the same as the center back length. But the back shoulder height is from the top of the shoulder down to the waistline. And that's where you're going to measure to, right there. Make sure you're getting these numbers accurately. Then we want to measure the center front. Same thing as the back, only you want to measure right at the hollow of your neck down to your waistline, right there. Okay? Then we want to measure the front shoulder height. Same thing as the back. You're going to bring your tape measure to the top of the shoulder in the front, bring it down over the bust and down to your waistline. Okay, that's your measurement there. The next thing we're going to measure is across the back. Okay, that's this area about 5 inches down from your neck, from shoulder to shoulder, all the way across the back. Okay? Then we want to measure the full back, which is almost the same, but you want to come down a little bit more, and underneath your arm from one side all the way around to the next side. That's your measurement. Okay? So you stop right here. Then we want to do the same thing for the front. Okay, want to measure across the front. Let's see. Across the front from armhole to armhole, which is going to be here. All right, armhole to armhole. Then the same thing across the full front. Come across the bust from the side all the way around to the other side. Make sure your tape stays up there. Okay, all the way around to the other side. So that's the full front measurement across the front. All right. Then we want to measure the side seam. Right here, underneath the arm, down to the waistline. Mark that measurement. Immediately after that, the shoulder measurement, which is from the neck to the top of the shoulder. And then the final measurement is whatever length that you're going to be working with for your dress or skirt or top. You want to measure from the neckline down, okay, to where you want it to stop. Okay, that's all the measurements that we need for making a top, with the exception of the arm length. And since she doesn't have arms, I will show you that at a later date. Okay.